We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of AVA Go P45 Pressure Washer XL. That's include. AVA builds products that are made to last, and we are going against the use it and toss it ideology many other pressure washers brands follow today. Power meets portability, featuring onboard storage, a 40-foot flexible hose, a self-priming pump, and a compact form. The AVA Go is ready when, and where, you are. The award-winning zoom lens can extend and retract, giving you the comfort and range to give a close and effective jet spray no matter the situation. We even have a handy storage rack on top of the handle for the lance. Grab and go, the size of a briefcase, the Go is perfect for throwing in the trunk of your car, when storage space is limited, and when washing takes you far from home. The new AVA experience, get a jet washer without complications. Don't stress with hoses or long cleaning times, get a machine ready from minute 1 to tackle any mess you throw at it. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.